Dear Iranian people, your poets once sang of flowing rivers and beautiful gardens, but those rivers and gardens are dry today. Iran is out of water, but it doesn't have to be this way. You see, in the land of Israel, we even have less water, yet de facto, we have an abundance of water. How does this happen? We recycle 90% of our wastewater and use it for agriculture. 70% of the water we drink is generated in our desalination plants using our technology. We would love to share this with you. Your current leadership prefers to spend your money on bombs, on terror, on missiles, instead of on water and abundance for you. Iran has a choice. It can choose to continue war, or it can choose peace. It could choose the way of working together. One day, in not a distant future, Israel will be happy to share all of our technologies with the beautiful Iranian people. So from this friendship, we'll see springs of clear water.